You know, this beach has all kinds of hidden treasures. Don't worry, every doll without legs is just a mermaid in the making. This resin will help keep everything all in one piece. And you can't not have glitter. It's glitter. Let it dry and she's to live under the sea. Put her down. Hey, your hand's a mess. Look, she's a real girl. Fish girl. Ooh, the Easter Bunny's at it again. You know, this egg's just the right shape. For a brand new beach toy, add sand. And soon you'll have fresh, hot beach buns. Just be careful when you squeeze them. Oh, duckies, a duck family. Oh no, good thing ducks like water. Don't cry, this should cheer you up. Now you can whip up a whole new flock. Just make sure to use wet sand. And oh yeah, don't step on them. Who wants to tell him he can just make more? You know, this is swimsuit season. A little grooming wouldn't hurt. Some nano tape is just what we need. Next up, let's give this tape a little air. It'd be a shame to waste all that blue hair. Oh, draw a face and he's your new best friend. Calm down, just stand up, you're in the shallow end. Hey, you found a rock. Gotta love the bartering system. Ooh, let's hope she doesn't want her squishy toy back. You know, it's a party when they bring out the balloons. Better yet, they're your brand new floaties. What you waiting for? The water's fine. Yeah, rocks aren't known for being too comfy. Time to get crafty. Just take some tights and fill them with sand. Once it's nice and full, add some underwear. Now just relax and rest your head. Ouch, that's hot. There's gotta be some way your feet can beat the heat. Cat paws. I was thinking flip-flops, but okay. Careful, tippy toes now. This might take a while. Still, art like that paw print tail takes work. While we're at it, let's go for the whole cat look. Ah, the beach. Perfect place to watch videos. Maybe not. Can someone turn off that sun? Don't worry, Mr. Cat's got the next best thing. A cardboard box. Pets just can't get enough of them. And it'll give your phone some much-needed shade. Now pass the popcorn. There's a lot of fish in the sea, so let's catch one. Ooh, even better, it's a new toy, a Squish maker. Should come in handy. Squishy toys don't last too long around here. Now blow it up so we can fill it up. Gummy worms, toys, glitter, whatever you want. Well, as long as it fits, like those ear pods. Some nice soda will wash it all down. Now it's time to get squishing. Yeah, you probably shouldn't throw it. Great. You know she's keeping it. Gesundheit. Oh, you got a little something. Wow, a shoelace. How'd that get in there? Either way, add to these tubes. And give it a dip in something nice and soapy. We can use it to make giant bubbles. After all, who said that bubbles can't be long? Ice cream on a hot day? This is why I always just get a milkshake. Next time, if you want to keep your hands clean, make a hole with your hand and fill it up with gypsum. Now it's a spare hand that holds the cone for you. Leaving your hands mess-free. Always watch your step on the beach. Especially since that's not your towel. On the plus side, you found treasure.
Huh?
A pop tube. Let's add to our collection. You can never have too many pop tubes. You know, all these tubes might come in handy. Like bringing the ocean right to you. Sure, it's just a few steps away. A few steps too many. Okay, is anyone else starting to get dizzy? And look, you can give your feet a good wash. Just don't forget your other foot, too. It sure is hot. Do we got any more ice cream? Wait, ice cream cones don't have propellers, but ice cream fans do. Ooh, I think you've got it set on high. Oops, it's a twister! Quick, someone grab Toto! Here, aim it against the ocean breeze. Oh, now that's refreshing. Ooh, someone's been working on their tan. And with this sunscreen, you can embrace tan lines. Because it comes in cute little flower shapes. Just relax in the sun and wipe it off. Now, strike a pose. That pasta looks undercooked. Perfect for our next craft. Just stir in this paint until it's all nice and blue. Aw, don't cry. You would have chipped your tooth. Put them in the sand. Add some ramen and rotini. Some shells, and it's a toy fish paradise. Ooh, I didn't know we'd be whale watching. Why, it's a cute little baby beluga. Let's call him Squirt, it just fits him. Look at that, the drinks are on him. Hope you like your milk with a little extra crunch.
Think we'll get boot-shaped sand doing this? Guess not. This should help us make some cool shapes. You just can't go wrong with ducks. Let's make our own little flock. Let's see. I'll call that one Donald and that one Daisy. Look at all this trash. Doesn't anyone give a hoot anymore? Don't worry, these pants will save the day. We can store all this garbage in our secret compartment. Now we can repurpose them all for various crafts. Or just throw them away in the right trash receptacle. Enjoy your trip. Wow, he really makes an impression. In fact, it's so nice, let's save it for posterity. Let it dry. Well, I think it's got character. Probably should get the sand out of its nose. Add some clothes, and we've got the perfect buddy to watch our stuff. Think we'll find any buried treasure? Well, there's something down there. And this tool will help us really get digging. Wow, a phone! Does it have any bars? An iron! Just think of all the grilled cheese we can make. A rainbow Huggy Wuggy! Now that's what I call treasure. Looks like the tide's coming in. Say goodbye to those flip-flops. They belong to the sea now. Don't worry, we can make new ones. This balloon even gets your right size. Not only is it a custom fit, we can give it a custom design too. Now show off your brand new slippers. Just be careful around the water. When nature calls in the great outdoors. Guess we'll have to dig ourselves a bathroom. We'll need to keep it sturdy, and we don't want to leave it there. I wonder what he's going to use for TP. Let's keep that lid on tight, shall we? Oh, look at all these balloons! And they're inflating and falling all at once! Well, it popped, but there's plenty more where that came from. What are you waiting for? Time to get popping! When it rains, it pours around here. If only that were rain. Let's make some protection from the elements. Carve out a watermelon shell. Make holes for your eyes and nose. And you've made a helmet. Why not make one for your furry friend? And this is why you should always remember to add sunblock. Some moisturizer can go a long way, too. Maybe this roller can help smooth things over. It'll take care of all that dead skin without having to buy special fish. A good idea is always worth sharing. Nothing like chocolate at the beach. Or anywhere, really. Come on, it's chocolate. Wow, he's like a turtle on his back. Sand's malleable, so we can make some room. Add a towel to keep things comfortable. What's the bigger concern? The sunburn or the octopus? Look at all those colors. Let's share it with the world. Place them all inside a bag and then close it up tight. Don't just poke it. We really want to squish them. We'll need the heavy stuff. Bring out the mallet. Now you can beat the heat. See, we came back to the sunburn. Oh, there's gotta be a less messy way of eating watermelon. And now there is! This utensil not only helps cube the melon for you, you can use the fork to eat it too! Or you can save the cubes for later, for stacking.
Ouch!
Oh no! Your poor phone! Where's a bag of rice when you need it? Better yet, get out some waterproof cards. Lay them out into the water. See, they're perfectly fine when wet.
Wow.
Now take some tape and align them together. It's like a little pool floaty for your phone or your sandwich. You can never be too careful on a hot day.
Ew.
I'd say be careful, but free sunscreen's free sunscreen. Here's a way to practice your drawing skills. Let it settle for a little while.
Wow.
And you've got a twist on temp tattoos. Just make sure you'll tan, not burn. No wonder some people are really into shoes. Next time, try these invisible beach shoes. Just peel it off and add to your sole. They'll protect you while keeping your feet free. Never fear blocks again, but some things need something a little sturdier. Is it too bright outside? Before considering living underground, try this. Take a plastic knife and add some heat. Bend it into place and add another knife. You'll have a nifty pair of sunglasses. So, did the butler do it? Probably shouldn't have skipped that pedicure. Don't worry, Mother Nature will provide. These quail eggs won't just hide your dirty nails. They'll help make them look brand new. Let's return the favor and give the quails some eggs back. Each credible stuff. Catch you next time.